Sige. Oh. Focus. Yan. Very good. 30 minutes lang yan. Okay, stop.
Ano kaya?
Ano nga ito? Mo-seh.
In Bungalon ang apod Mo-seh.
Mo-seh sa Bungalon.
Bungalon.
Ay sila ganan ta. Sila ganan talaga.
Babalik ka doon ngayon.
Pag ginarong mangga, tuway na ang lamangga.
Ano ba? Ano?
Kamutay. Mas masira no, may ang piga-piga kakan.
Yung nga nakaklaso.
Ay, bako yung piga. Ano yan? Si itong garo katoy.
Itong galusugok ba?
Yung si piga sabing una ninda piga, pig karakan.
Nakahulong na.
Yun na nakahulong pa lang. Yo, dalaman lang talaga no yung kay puwan ng kana ko ano.
Nasuway na pati.
Risa man niya pati atyan
Ay
ka.
may paon niya, ay may banwit pa siya.
Boy mapanwit ka. Baka makastang ka kang panwit.
Yung bagay siya nauban.
Lagana.
Yun nga ginagawa.
Kuha ng lagana tumanoy.
Alam mo man bagay.
Ay, pwede mo. Baka ano? Masakit ka kanina ka dito.
Matagas naman.
Iyo man amana. Di naman yan makukuha.
Welcome to the special edition of BAAC Fishing Flags, Bicolano Alachamer Anglers Club. This is special because we're going to reveal to you how to eat botete. I'm sure you'll have a varied reaction about it, but for me, every guest creation has its purpose. And for human consumption, puffer fish made the history of fatalities among those who have eaten it without the knowledge on how to eat it without having poison. So the brave men of Bicolano Alachamer Anglers Club tasted it way back 2018, and here's what they've done on the botete or puffer fish during the fishing adventure in Caglililog, Tinambac, Camarines Sur.
Di banwit pa yan.
And now during the recent onshore fishing at Bungalon Port, we caught 3 large pieces of Mo-seh, or the local term for puffer fish. And the local residents said that the old folks know how to remove the poisonous leathery skin and its innards, leaving the edible fleshy part as local dish. They prepared it fried or with coconut milk. So the hanging question is, am I brave enough to eat it along with fellow anglers? That remains to be seen till the next edition of our BAAC Fishing Flags. Fish on, tight line, Alachamers.
Bako manggaro yan no, si may